Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Another terrific summer-like day for the south. Hot and humid up north, not so hot. And we do have some showers and thunder showers in the western portion of the Dakotas. As we switch our view out to the west, we see eastern Montana, portions of Wyoming, severe thunderstorm warnings at this hour. This area of activity here is expected to blossom, and we could end up with a severe thunderstorm watch sometime shortly based on that. Most of this activity through North Dakota, non-severe, moving more in a north-northeast direction. But our Devil's Lake viewers will have a chance at seeing some thunder showers in the upcoming hours. More on that in a second. Right now, a lot of clear skies, and we have that feels like temperature up there at 87 degrees thanks to a high temperature and high dew points near 70 degrees. So sticky air out there, a muggy night, and temperatures are pretty warm, and there's not a lot of wind as we had yesterday. From the northeast, it's blowing at 10 miles per hour. Hey, we turn the page completely when we look at Grand Forks. 79-year temperature, not quite as humid. Wind from the north-northwest is blowing at 9 miles per hour. Notice we've had a few more clouds drifting overhead in our northern counties throughout the day, limiting temperatures somewhat. So a cool boundary along and north of Highway 2 where temperatures are 80 or less, but everyone in the 70s up there. And along and south of Interstate 94 and Highway 10, we have temperatures ramping up from the low 80s to 90 in Sisseton and 92 this hour in Aberdeen. Where there is heat and where there is humidity, there will be the risk of some pretty strong thunderstorms tonight. Region-wide, we have sizzling temperatures in central South Dakota with 94 in Chamberlain. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Get out and enjoy. The rest of the evening is the main theme of the night. As we head through the early evening hours, temperatures fall a couple of degrees up north, and it'll still be warm and muggy in our southern counties. By 7 o'clock, our model is painting that those strong to severe thunderstorms will be progressing eastward into the central Dakotas. By 10 o'clock, they'll be pushing into portions of southeast North Dakota. The strongest storms will be where there is a little more intensity and heat in the atmosphere, and that'll be south of the South Dakota border the way things are looking. But any of these storms up here could be strong to severe as we go through the overnight hours. So from 10 to say 2, they'll cross through the southern Red River Valley into Lakes Country and then progress eastward as we go towards daybreak. So overnight, showers and thunderstorms. Mainly the risk is going to be gusty straight line winds, flash flooding a possibility in many of our southern counties as well. And we start the day with some convection out there, some thunder showers. And depending on how fast these dissipate will tell us how our day goes. By midday, our model's painting a chance for some good old-fashioned sunshine in the south with scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon hours up north. Cooler temperatures there in the 60s, while down just south of us, we could have triple-digit readings. And because of that difference in temperatures, afternoon thunderstorms could develop. Our model is painting most of this activity to the east, but I think definitely our southern counties will have the best chance at seeing some potent thunderstorm development that will drift fairly quickly into the overnight hours out towards central and southern Minnesota. Locally heavy rain, very large hail with these storms with all the energy in the atmosphere, damaging winds, and an isolated tornado, especially east of the Red River, is not out of the question. Look at these rainfall potentials out here, a few 100ths up to the far north, and 5 to 6 inches in isolated spots that get the thunder soakers out there. So prepare for locally heavy rain, especially south. Fargo, 65 to start your day. Temperatures are ramping up to the upper 70s as we go through the afternoon hours, and the afternoon looks hot and sizzling with a chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. Your hometown forecast. Look at that, 60s and 70s in the far north. We get to the middle 80s here along the Interstate 94 and Highway 10, and 90s to near 100 down to the south. How about some anti-crepuscular rays? Oh, there they are. Ruth uploaded this on valleynewslive.com. Just a gorgeous sight. And here is your planning forecast, and it's a whole lot more gorgeous than our forecast for tonight and tomorrow. Severe thunderstorm chance across our area for a hot Wednesday, and then we cool off a little bit. We're talking low 80s for many, 70s up north. Quiet weather will be enjoyed by many Friday through Sunday. Our storm chances increase a bit as we get toward the middle of next week, Andrea.
But before that quiet weather, a couple bumpy days.
Couple of hitches in the giddy-up. That's right.
That's right.
What's not slowing us down is the announcement of today's Village Inn Spotlight couple. It is Chris and Bernadette Panatti from Dilworth, Minnesota, celebrating 25 years of wedded bliss. Way to go, you two.